Good morning children. Welcome to social science class. In the previous class we have learnt about the lesson number 2, our agriculture, and we have discussed about what is agriculture, types of crops, cash crops, food crops, and we were discussing about cash crops. In that we have discussed about sugarcane, jute, cotton, oil seeds. Today we are going to learn about tea, coffee, spices, and about farmers, how they are cultivating the land. And what do you mean by green revolution? In this class we are going to discuss. Come children, let us discuss. Tea. Tea is a favorite beverage of people of India. Tea is called the queen of beverages. It is grown in hot and wet climate, and it is grown mainly in Assam, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. So children, you know that the people of India, they drink the beverage, that is tea, coffee. So tea is known as that is queen of beverage. That is, tea is a favorite beverage of all the people of India, and it is known as the queen of beverage. Why it is known as queen of beverage? Because most of the people of India, they like to drink, that is tea. Understood children? And it is grown in hot and wet climate. It is grown in hot and wet climate, and it is grown mainly in the state of Assam, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. So in these states the tea is mainly grown. The tea is mainly grown in these 3 states. Next, let us learn about coffee. Coffee is also a beverage, but only few people like it. Coffee is mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So coffee is also one of our beverage, but only few people they like it. Coffee is mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In these 3 states, coffee is mainly grown. Next, come let us learn about spices. Spices adds taste and flavor to the food. Some spices are pepper, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamom and chilies. It is grown in Karnataka and Kerala. As you know, India is famous for spices. So why these spices are very famous? Because it adds, that is, taste and flavor. It adds taste and flavor to our food. You have seen, without spices you can't make any sambar. So your mother is using the spicy items to make the sambar. Some of the spices are pepper, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamom and chilies. It is mainly grown in Karnataka and Kerala. Next is about farmers. Farmers. Who are known as farmers? The farmers are the people who grow the crops, who cultivate the land to grow the crops. Yes or no? Without farmers, we are not able to get any food items, that is vegetables, fruits, food crops. Yes or no children? We can't get anything. So farmers play an important role in our life. Let us learn about farmers. Farmers grow the crops. Farmers grow the crops. They have adopted scientific means of farming. They are using high yielding variety of seeds to grow the crops. Big portion of land has been incorporated. Incorporated means merged under cultivation. cultivation. Farmers have been provided loans and modern machines. India is self-reliant in the producing of food grains. Self-reliant means self-sufficient, they are growing by themselves. India exports many agricultural products to several countries. So, farmers are the person who grow the crops. So, where they grow on the land. So, the land is cultivated to grow the crops. We can't grow in very small portion of a land. We need a big portion of land to cultivate the crops. So, they are using what are scientific methods of farming. Scientific methods of farming, that is, you have seen tractors. So there are so many machines, by that they are scientifically they are cultivating the land for farming, and they are using high yielding variety of seeds to grow crops. So they are that is, they are using high yielding, means that is the seeds which gives us the good variety of crops. Big portion of land has been incorporated, that is merged to cultivate the land. Farmers have been provided loans and modern machines. So farmers they are getting loans and modern machines to cultivate the land. So India is self-reliant. Self-reliant means that is they are sufficiently growing the crops. Understood? In the production of food grains. India exports many agricultural products to several countries. They are growing, that is many agricultural products, and they are exporting to other countries also. Next is Green Revolution. What do you mean by Green Revolution? Let us see. Increase in the production of food grains is known as Green Revolution. Increase in the production of food grain is nothing but that is known as Green Revolution. Increase in the production of food grains is known as what? Green Revolution. In the next class, I will be discussing about, that is pisciculture, livestock, pisciculture, and about veterinary doctor. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you, children.